bed. She wasn't wearing her Jordans. The shoes of the ballers, man. When I hop by the bed and turn my swag on, I have a nice refreshing glass of Coca-Cola. Helps me get through my day. You know what I mean. What are you doing here, Wall? This is my Coke commercial.
Well, you're 10 years old. You're not in my commercial.
This is my Coca-Cola commercial.
This is my Pepsi commercial.
Excuse me, but we all know that Coca-Cola is much better than Pepsi.
Willa, Pepsi is the way to go.
It's Willow and Coke.
Pepsi, Willa,
Coke, Wall.
John, Wall. Pepsi,
Coke.
Pepsi,
Coke.
Pepsi,
Guys. Alright. You know what? These are both good drinks, okay? But watch this.
What are you doing with my Coca-Cola? You
Whoa,
can't put
no,
my Coke
whoa,
with that
What are you
Pepsi.
doing? No, that's gross.
What? No.
Just try
That's
it.
nasty.
Try it.
Oh.
Try it.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
What did I tell
That is
you?
so good.
Oh my God, what are we gonna call it?
Pepsi Cola.
Roman. Bye guys.